Myself, Dr.M.Saranya, Assistant Professor of BBA Department. Now we are going to see about unit of analysis. Individual, organization, groups and data series. Unit of analysis are the objective of study within a research project. In sociology, the most common units of analysis are individual, groups, social interaction, organizations and institutions, and social and cultural artifacts. In many cases, a research project can require multiple units of analysis. Identifying your unit of analysis is an important part of the research process. Once you have identified a research questions, you will have to select your units of analysis as part of the process of deciding on a research method and how you will operationalize that method. Let's review the most common units of analysis and why a researcher might choose to study them. First one is individuals. Individuals are the most common unit of analysis within the sociological research. This is the case because the core problem of sociology is understanding the relationship between individuals and society. So we routinely turn up studies composed of individual people in order to refine our understanding of the ties that bind individuals together into a society. Taken together, information about individuals and their personal experience can reveal patterns and trends that are common to a society or particular groups within it and can provide insight into social problems and their solutions. For example, researchers at the University of California, San Francisco found through interviews with individual women who have had abortion that the vast majority of women do not ever regret the choice to terminate the pregnancy. Their findings prove that a common right-wing argument against access to abortion, that women will suffer undue emotional distress and regret if they have an abortion, is biased on myth rather than fact. Organizations differ from groups in that they are considered more formal and well-organized way of collecting people together around specific goals and norms. Organizations take many forms, including corporations, religious congregations, and whole systems like the Catholic Church, judicial system, police department, and social movement, for example. Social scientists who study organizations might be interested in, for example, how corporations like Apple, Amazon, and Walmart impact various aspects of social and economic life, like how we shop and what we shop for, and what work conditions have become normal and are problematic within the US labor market. Sociologists who studies organizations might also be interested in comparing different examples of similar organizations to reveal the ways in which they operate and the values and norms that shape those operations. Next, groups. Sociologists are keenly interested in social ties and relationships, which means that they often study groups of people, be they larger or small. Groups can be anything from romantic couple to families, to people who fall into particular racial or gender categories, to friend groups, to whole generations of people. By studying group, sociologists can reveal how social structure and forces affect whole categories of people on the basis of race, class, or gender, for example. Sociologists have done this in pursuit of understanding a wide range of social phenomena and problems. Like, for example, the study that provide that living in a racist place leads to black people having worse health outcomes than white people. Or the study that examine the gender gap across different nations to find out which are better or worse at advancing and protecting the rights of women and girls. These are the unit of analysis in the research project. Thank you.